Welcome back to Manix Robinson TV. So me and the family, as we are on our way to Dunge River Falls out there in Zone Torrijos, we stop at this grill center they call them Ultimate Jerk Center Restaurant and Bar. We heard from some good people that they have some serious delicious food, and on our way to Dunge River we stop there to grab something to eat because guys, hungry. We've been traveling for like an hour and we just pull off and say we're gonna grab something to eat. So hey, if you never check out this joint in Jamaica, man, Ultimate Jerk Center, if I'm not mistaken, in St. Anne's, it's the boss, man. They do jerk chicken, jerk pork, anything that you can think of, man, you can get it at this rest stop right here or this jerk center. So check it out. Anytime you're in Jamaica on your way to Torrijos, stop at this place. They got every food you need to satisfy your craving of Jamaican cuisine. Yep. So guys, I'm gonna eat my food right now, so don't go nowhere. See you in a few. Beautiful. Yeah, as you can see guys, it's super busy. Super busy, you know, right against the highway. Don't joke about it. Yep. Super busy. And right now, man, I'm smelling the chicken, the jerk pork. I can't wait. I'm gonna wash my hands right now and see if I get something to eat. Say we were heading up to Dunge River Falls. So we're gonna go to the falls, but we stopped to grab something to eat at Ultimate. Yep. So this is it. Yeah. So as you can see, me and the family, Alex, the wifey right here, and Maximus right here digging in his burger and fries. Yeah, these guys don't want no jerk chicken, they want fries. So he's having his burger and fries right there. My wife is having that fried chicken with rice and peas. And you can see the guy right there is waiting on his right now, but you better be careful, they're gonna put you on the grill. And mine, look like they're waiting on their lunch. This right here guys, I heard about this jerk chicken soup. I can't wait to try it. Unbelievable. Jerk, thank you dear. Jerk chicken soup. Look at that. Look at the texture. Beautiful. You definitely can taste the jerk chicken. Look at the jerk the chicken and use it to make the soup. You definitely can taste it in there. Perhaps you want to taste the soup? First time having jerk chicken soup. You want to taste it also, Alex? Alex don't want to taste it. You want to taste some now? I'm gonna let my wife taste it and let she give her take on it.
Very thick, full body, beautiful, delicious. I think I want this for my lunch.
You hear that, guys?
All right, one more, last one, okay, last one. Delicious.
Delicious. So guys, as I say, if you're ever on your way to the Dunge River Fall, to stop at Ultimate Jerk Center. Oh, you can smell it from a mile away leaving Montego Bay. These guys like rustle up good food to satisfy a massive hunger. So guys, I'm gonna take a look. I order like curry goat, rice and peas. Yeah, this is it right here. Curry goat, with rice and peas. I'm gonna taste it and let you know what it tastes like. Robbie, beg your pardon, please.
Don't pay them any attention.
Look at this, guys. Thank you, dear. Look at this. This is the rice and peas right there. They give you some vegetable like carrot and cabbage, and you got the curry goat right here. Look at that. Delicious. Beautiful. Want to taste it up, Pops? Okay. Here you go. No, you can't eat so many things one time, bro. How is your lunch, Alice? You finish yours already?
Yes.
Yeah. Let me see your thing. Okay. So, but you don't want no curry chicken? You don't want no curry goat? Here it is. You want to taste the curry goat? No? You don't want to taste the curry goat? Okay. You want to taste the curry goat now? So my wife said that she want to taste the curry goat. That's good. She was good. You're welcome. Pops, you finish it, Pops?
Oh, it's delicious. Very tender.
Very tender, right?
Well cooked. Well seasoned.
Jerk chicken soup. There you go. Jamaican having jerk chicken soup for the first time. Me too. My first time. Come back.
You never taste it?
Here you go.
You never tasted it before, Daddy?
It's my first time having it. It's quite nice.
You never had when you were a kid?
Belly full already? Wow.
Yeah. Maybe I'm overly hungry.
Yeah, I think, yeah. I think you should drink some of the soup now. Drink some of the soup. Pop, come eat a fry. She's eaten already. She didn't quarter it and she said that she feels full. I think she just needs to drink some of the soup. And as they say in Jamaica, release up the structure. We're on our way to Dundee Fall. I don't know if you want to reach there because I think it's like 1 o'clock right now. And it's raining. And my wife remember this location that we stopped at like 12 years ago. And just as she said it, we saw the place, saw the name, and we just swung off the main road and came over. And man, I tell you, the aroma of the food hit us. No, you guys weren't born yet. You alright, Alex?
Max is the bad.
Max almost done. He's all ready. Right, Pops? You finished? No. You love your lunch? Delicious? Okay. Guys, soup is almost done.
What's your fly?
He is waiting on his blank and he's not moving. Look at him. Look at him. Go close to the table.
Yeah, because slowly we just come down and take it. Oh no, Alex.
You pick to have a beer.
He has a beard?
Yeah, see?
Yeah. Guys, look at that. Empty. Good. That's it for that.
There's not too much.
Jamaican thing.
Jamaican, you heard that his man, not good. Daddy, it's seriously been 14 minutes. It's gonna be 15 minutes.
Seriously, ate all his food.
That's better.
Festival, guys.
Vegetable.
Beautiful.
Vegetable. Come and get your vegetable. Vegetable. Come and get your vegetable. That's better. Or it's a chicken. Or human. With you.
Still working on it, my pips. Them finish eat already. And I enjoy themselves.
What? Are you bird?
Yep.
Bird. Oh, bird. Oh, bird. You hideous bird. You're so hideous. You think you can't even know what a hideous thing is. Hey, you better run. Hey, you move. I got you. I'm gonna jab you. Move, bird. Move. I'm gonna get it.
My wife didn't eat off her. She said that she is full. I think we're gonna grab some
Ready, bird?
jerk pork and maybe some escovitch fish to take home with us.
Are you ready, bird? Let's get away, bird.
Ting. Beautiful.
Yeah, these birds are hideous.
So see there, guys, finish. Done. Beautiful. Got this guy waiting, still waiting. I don't know what he's waiting on. But he wanna have a stand down foot. You wanna fight? So yes, peeps, just finish up the lunch from Ultimate Jerk Center. Beautiful. Kids finished their lunch already. They're out there playing, enjoying themselves. My wife, yeah, it was too much for her, so she has some of this stuff soup and she's gonna take the rest home. Mine is empty. Home, everything. Soup, finished. Beautiful, delicious. Ultimate, guess what, guys? Keep up the good work. You guys are awesome, preparing authentic Jamaican food, and you guys are super at what you're doing. Food was super delicious, super awesome. Busy location right off from the highway, and you know, we enjoy our meal, and you know, before we hit the road, we're gonna just chill out, enjoy the breeze, enjoy the view for a couple of minutes, and then we'll be on our way. So my viewers, guess what? We don't cut the video right now because as you can see, my stomach is full, and the more talking you do, and the more gas you take up. So guess what? See you on the next video. Take care of yourself now, alright? From Mannix Robinson TV. You have anything to say, my wife?
No, bye.
Bye.
Bye, friends and family.
Alright guys, so take care of yourself. See you on the next journey. Have a good one.